face, man. You feel me? We in here.
Yo, man, welcome back to the channel. So you can tell by the title what's finna be discussed today, you feel me? And I'm gonna give all my new subscribers who don't know, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you my rundown of who I am and my background and how I got here. So let's stay locked in with your boy, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel real quick. They get it. Do I hate football? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna catch all my new subscribers up and a lot of people who've been asking me why I haven't been doing the first 3 videos of how I started my YouTube channel, like how I was introducing everybody to myself. And with that, bro, I'm gonna start everybody off from the beginning. So I started playing football at the age of 5, just backyard, just playing around, you know what I'm saying? And from there on in, city league started off around about 9. The hell is that? Hold on. Somebody in my family got in a wreck on the other charger. So, I'm gonna continue this video. Probably let you see what's going on, but we're gonna continue this video, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm letting y'all in my life, so I'm trying to race up here to get there, you feel me? So I turn the camera back on when I pull up, see what's going on. So turn into a whole nother video with another video, but no, bro. Somebody hit my little cousin on my old car, on my old V6. You know what I'm saying? Look, they like my car, so everybody calling my phone thinking it's me, you know what I'm saying? But no, but oh yeah, it's bad, bro. I'm gonna try to get the footage of if Twitter ain't tripping, but let me see what's going on. I ain't got my grandma calling.
God damn it, they're down. Look. Look at that. They go a piece of it right there. It's another piece over here. Headlight in the trunk. See, I did headlight right here, bogus.
Damn!
They good. You got you some extra headlight then, good.
Sheesh!
Because the one in the back, one ain't touched. It just fell off.
See, that's twin. We twins for real, but that's my old car. But yeah, as long as you straight. We still gonna talk about the video, but God, as long as he's straight, man. That's crazy. But that's all I can say. Like, cause that's a bad wreck, for real, bro. So he said the dude, like, soon as the light turned red and then it was time for him, my little cousin, to go, I seen dude that's come running through the red light. Boom! It could have been worse than what it was. I'm glad he's straight though. But man, people calling me, talking my car messed up. Y'all know how much time I put into if my actual car would have got hit. I'd have been crying, but get what we would have been. At the light next day, cat me! You hear me? But no, we gonna talk about the video, but you know what I'm saying? I had to give y'all a little update what's going on, you feel me? So this is gonna be a little extra.
Yeah. Hold up. Okay, man.
Look, yeah, you on the tube, nigga, yeah.
Look at
Oh, there you go. There you go. Who else on here?
Big Quid, J Neil.
You straight?
Oh, no, I got it. Hello? Mom.
That's different when you're running from the police.
Why you won't say that on here, bro? You didn't heard what that man said over there,
What is
bro.
it?
Gonna go bye-bye. Bro, I'm legit, like, I'm so proud.
Okay, so Cameron, you think I need to win?
You got my gun and all that stuff?
Yep.
It's in
Got all that.
Okay, Cameron, you think I need to get this car and tell them if Gabrielle says to take it to the dime?
You know what I'm saying?
Ray wreck that bitch, he ain't nothing like me. I'm a real driver.
Really, nigga?
Not even that.
Hey, I better run a Compton real
Jay can't drive.
You can't drive. My bad.
In the right.
Keep that sign in. Hold up. Let me see what Carl just said. Carl just said that in the group chat now.
What did Carl say?
Hold up. Boom. Oh no, I can drive. Damn, dog.
I'm at the green light, the light green. Dude came through doing 60 and hit me, bro. I swear to God, he was on top of the car.
You hit him because
he hit me.
The front of your car fucked up.
He hit me. He ran through the light.
You hit him because he ran through the light. You still hit him. You hit him,
bro.
You hit him, bro.
Do what it be like. But now, it's a whole new day, whole new week. You know what I'm saying? I'm just adding on to the video, you feel me? I gotta go do a gender reveal, you know what I'm saying? And one is not my baby, you feel me? No, that's not me. But nah, I just gotta go do a burnout, and I'm gonna let y'all, bring y'all along so y'all can experience it with me, you feel me? And I got the guy who read the last charge on the video with me again, you feel me? So, stay locked there with me. I'm gonna give y'all the footage of, I'm finna go get something to eat real quick, turn the camera back on then, holla at you. See, the girl had canceled the gender reveal, so I put some clips in there for y'all and me cutting up a little bit, you know what I'm saying, a little sample of it. What they remind y'all of really a GTA type of setup, for real, what remind me of. Alright. SRT Station and cut as always.
SRT Station, man. Get out there on Instagram, man. Come on, bro. I'm trying to go ahead and grow with this junk right now. You see Big 392 going to Daytona. Big headliner, sunroof, all that.
Hey, man, get me the 10K subscribers on TikTok, man.
Thank me, sir.
Oh, man. Yeah, man. What be hooking the cars up? He just don't be driving him, man. Oh, Daytona. You know what I'm saying? I already know he doing the stall. But no, I like the Daytona though, man. Can't lie to you. I'm gonna let y'all see them real quick. Oh, hold up. Pushing P. Carbon fiber hood. Check them out.
I installed that. Why got a kid too?
Got a wide right over here, dog. With the Toyo. I'm probably gonna get some of them. Don't know yet.
Mr. Goddamn checking in, man.
Cat is a cat.
Yeah,
Hey, David. Take the motherfucker on the street.
nah, man, cat, huh? And he barely drive it, dog. I'll be real with you. They don't come out. They just sitting here. I'm trying to lock the door like I got the keys to it. The Hellcat key? Oh, I'm about to say, let me hear that, mother. They're gonna be the end of the video, you know what I'm saying? Check real quick, you know, grab them nuts. But anyway, though, they're gonna be the end of it. Lock back in with the next one, you know what I'm saying? You never know what it might be. But your boy Melt, I'm out here.
Man, we gotta run that shit back.
Fucking slow.